Hello everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you a new rhythm called BAO. BAO is a rhythm that is originated from the Doma people. It is used mostly for the ceremonies to celebrate initiation or just for a youth of a woman. It is only danced by the elderly women and the initiates. This rhythm symbolizes the maturity and the womanhood. The first beat, which is the break, is 8 tones, like this. You get it? Let's play together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Again, 5, 6, 7, go! Then the first accompaniment after the break is bass tone, then 3 flat slaps, like this. Bass tone. You get it? Let's play together. 5, 6, 7, go. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Now we're going to play it twice, non-stop. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Good. Now we're going to play the break, then we play the first accompaniment. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. This is the end of the BAO rhythm. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that you will see our new videos, and also to share with your friends. See you next time. Goodbye.